This is a bag. It has like a fursuit body in it, and paws and stuff. And these are a lot of fursuit muzzles. I'm starting Anthrocon prep. Anthrocon is in 7 weeks, so. And right now, I'm drawing a badge for my friend. So I've told her for like forever that I would draw her character, and I'm like, I need to finally just do this. So I'm drawing this badge. And I thought I would do some talking on camera. I'm at a very weird place right now. I've been going through like all this medical stuff, and I just decided to like, I don't know, not get my life together. Do the things I said I'd do, like take care of myself and take care of like my business the way I said I would. And it's just like put me in a very weird headspace. Like I'm feeling accomplished and in a good space to succeed. Like I feel like I'm putting things in place to have like a very, very successful like fall, just rest of my life. Because I'm not there yet, I feel like very anxious. I'm so anxious. Like I just need Anthrocon to be over. And then like I'll like everything will be good. I don't know. I'm just like trying not to focus on it. I'm just like putting my head down. I'm working on things. I have my planner. And I'm just like, okay, here are the tasks for every day. I'll just do my tasks and I won't think about what day it is. You know? I wake up. If it's therapy day, I go to therapy. If it's gym day, I go to the gym. If it says that like it's time to carve fursuit heads, I'm carving fursuit heads. And I'm just not thinking about it. Even though I know there's 7 weeks till Anthrocon. And that just doesn't feel like enough. But it will be okay. It'll be fine. I'll be fine. Right now I'm working on a fursuit head. You can see. It looks like a dinosaur. It is not a dinosaur. It's a lynx. The nose is in there. But this is the brow piece. And I really wanted to just point out this right here. When you're like taping a fursuit head, sometimes you'll like put layers of tape over layers of tape, and so when you cut it out you will get something that looks like this. The actual pattern piece is where this marker is. This like jagged bit over here, that is not the pattern. So you just have to like look out for that and make sure that you cut along the actual line you drew.
You know, today is the 21st, so it's starting tomorrow, but, you know, basically might as well be right now. Or you're going to be watching this on the 22nd, so never mind. You know, we're already in the Venus retrograde, but you're probably being overly critical of things that you feel like you're not good at, or places, you know, obviously if you see some sort of 12-year-old on Instagram who's, like, flashing, you know, fat stacks of money, then you might be saying, like, damn, I am a loser.
My heart's definitely hurting for Christy.
So I'm trying to clean up. I'm about to go like full con prep. But I actually wanted to ship a commission before I did that, so I'm trying to do that this weekend. It is Saturday. And this head is the fur. It's a baby. Is on the head. There needs to be like this is open, so this needs to be sewn down, and you can't see this actually. The lining is like right here, so like this needs to be sewn together. I'm to the point where I don't need my pattern pieces anymore, so like this is like the pattern for this head. So I can throw this away now, but I always get like so anxious. I'm like, what if I need it? What if I need it? Like, I don't need it. Like the fur, it's furred. It needs to be shaved and glued. This isn't actually glued down yet. I should actually probably be able to finish him by I say that. That's a lie. Like shaving, I always think I can get the final shave done in like 30 minutes, and that's never happens. It takes a whole day. So the only thing that really needs to be done with like a final shave, like I think you might be able to see it better on this side. So like you can see how this mask piece is very short, and this is short, but like this is longer. So the final shave, I'm gonna come in here, shave this short so it's a nice round shape instead of this weirdness. I'm trying to blend it a little. These are the same fur. This is just shaved like really short. It's so short. It's shaved. So it changes the color of it. There's not much of a color change on this one, which once again, this is the same fur, but it's a really big color change here. This is not actually glued yet, so gluing that down, shaving to smooth things out, and then also shaving around the eye super short so I can actually put the eyelid on top. This was machine sewn, and the back is open, so this gets sewn to the balaclava. And the same with the upper mouth. But because of the saber teeth, made it very like difficult to glue down. What I did is I did a machine sew on this right here, and I left the rest of it unsewn. So I'm gonna hand sew this and the back of the mouth. That's my least favorite part of making a fursuit head. I have to figure out a new way to do it, but for now what I do is I have to like open the whole mouth like this and then hand sew all of that.